Hello everyone, welcome to SciInfo Solution. We provide project development and training with a different domain. Our branches are in Nasik and Pune. Now I am going to explain the system of virtual cluster allocation. We have implemented the system to operate multiple operating systems at the same time. This system will help to reduce the number of physical servers and save money on IT cost and also cut down on energy consumption. In this project we have used a KNN algorithm to identify the allocation of resource. Here we have admin and client. Firstly log in with admin. After successful login into the admin, we can create the username after login. Okay. Okay. After logging into system, we can see here are create network, show network, logs and logout. In a create network, we can create the network with the number of nodes. If we select it as 4 and the bandwidth as 100, it will create a network for us with the number of 4 nodes. Okay, here we can see the number of nodes we have created, n1, n2, n3, n4. After clicking here, we can give IP address to it. Okay, if we give IP address as 1.92, give IP address to each node. Okay. After assign weight for it will assign a weight for each node. In show network, we can see the network which we have recently created. Okay, this is for the network we have created. In logs option, we can see network logs and SMS log. In network log, we can see all the networks we have created in the system. Time graph will show the time graph for the nodes. Space graph. If the network is failed, then it will show this network if fails. If not, it will not show any network fail. As we have created the network successfully, it will show that network in this table. Okay. Now log out from this admin and log into the client. We can see network list, show networks. In the show network, we can see the networks which have created as admin. Now in show network, we can register for the each node. Okay, let's create new VM1 as if like it was created VM1. Then assign the node priority between 1 to 10. We can add on this to the each node. The addition should be 10. So enter user ID as new VM. Enter password for this and re-enter the password. Okay, after like this, assign each node, register each node. registering all of the nodes, we can see the list of the nodes which we have registered. Here they show the view node, all of these nodes. And then now login with one of the node. After logging into that node, we can see the within network clients and other network clients which are online. As within network clients are not online, they are not showing any client over there, and in other network clients they are showing number of clients which are online. Okay, after that we have received file option, where we can see the files which we have received, and a virtual clusters where they can show the network nodes and bandwidth. Okay, in within other network clients we can send the file to them, one of the user, as we consider as user to as a client to send any file. We can send it from here. We can have a sender node, receiver node, path locations, latitude and longitude. We can choose the file from here. Okay, if we select any one of file from here, and press the submit button. After logging out from here and logging as a user too, okay, we can see the file is received to the user too, which is a flower file, and we can download it and can see the file which is sent by the another user. Okay, thank you. If you want to buy this project, you can contact us. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.